So, alright class, today we will be discussing some of the significant challenges posed by social media in our modern world. So, while discussing these, we will mainly focus on challenges and the major issues arising out of social media. So, we will cover four key issues. You can see here misinformation and fake news, then filter bubbles and echo chambers, privacy concerns, and the potential threat to democracy. So let us move further. So firstly, let's talk about misinformation and fake news. With the rapid spread of information on social media platforms, it is become incredibly easy for misinformation to circulate quickly. This raises concerns about the accuracy and reliability of the information we receive. For instance, when you are trying to make informed decisions, you might find yourself wading through a sea of conflicting informations, making it hard to discern what is true and what is false. So, social media algorithms play a crucial role here. They tend to prioritize content that is likely to engage users, which often means sensational or provocative material. Regardless of its accuracy, this can amplify misinformation, making it even harder to find truthful information. Then moving on to next, filter bubbles and echo chambers. Next we have filter bubbles and echo chambers. This concept refers to how social media algorithm and personalization techniques can limit the diversity of content you see. Essentially, these algorithms show you more of what you already like or agree with. This creates a self-reinforcing cycle where you are consistently exposed to information that aligns with your existing beliefs, limiting your exposure to differing viewpoints. This phenomena has profound implications for our understanding of the world. It can lead to a lack of understanding and empathy for those with different perspectives as we become less exposed to diverse viewpoints. For example, extreme right wing will further get notifications and posts related to that content only, and similarly the left wing will receive that informations only. A supporter of one party will favorably get post and informations that suits that political party only. Okay, so you are not exposed to differing viewpoints here. Okay, so this is the issue. Then next is privacy concerns. Moving on to privacy concerns, we need to consider how much personal data we share on social media. As we continue to share more, the amount of data gathered about us increases. Dark web वगैरह. So this data can be used for targeted advertising or more worryingly for political influence. The susceptibility of our personal data to breaches highlights the need for robust data management practices. You can quote our Indian IT Act also, that reformed IT Act, and its limitations also, what it not covers on the social media, that things you can quote here. So moving on to next, that is threatening to democracy. This is very essential in Indian perspective also, because we have democratic setup. We have elections almost every year. We have elections in different states. So this issue is very important. You should mention this issue, and you can search various case studies related to fake news during elections also to quote as an example in this topic. So finally, let's in this category, the initial promise of the internet and social media was to create a more transparent and democratic society. Okay. However, this same openness can be exploited in harmful ways also. Yes, you can see in Russian elections, in that Russian interference in the 2016 US presidential election is a well-known case. It is claimed that Russia used social media to manipulate voter outcomes through fake news and misinformation. This interference was not limited to the US only, you should know that, but also occurred in other countries like Austria, Belarus, Bulgaria, France, Germany and Italy also. Okay. Then major influence on one of the Brexit episode you must remember. Regarding Brexit also, data scientists from the universities of Berkeley and Swansea found that over 156,000 Russian Twitter accounts were used to disrupt the vote. So this shows how foreign entities can use social media to influence political outcomes in other countries. And you must be knowing that if you look at this Statista data, then during the election, India is at the first spot. See here, based on 1490 expert opinions across academia, business, government, the international community and civil society collected this data. This is data by World Economic Forum, and this India is ranked 1 in terms of misinformation and disinformation among 34 risk countries. So you can judge by this how extreme social media can go to impact your elections. So you can refer to this case study of Russian election of 2016. Then method used in this election was mainly fake news and misinformation. This Russia also used this before attacking Ukraine also. You can use those examples also. So basically this social media has a broader impact on overall global elections. So I think that's all for this lecture today. Okay, thank you.